Hi there. All right, so things are going well. So far, so good, right? However, maybe sometimes you might walk away going, I could have done better, or my lesson didn't quite go the way I wanted to, or an interaction with a student, or maybe your mentor teacher, or even a professor may not have gone exactly how you liked, right? And guess what happens? Our mind starts rolling, right? I will always tell you to change the story. Okay, so you need to be aware of those negative thoughts. How do we know we experience them? Well, whenever we're having that negative story in our head, we don't feel so good. So make sure that you're aware of how you're feeling. When you are aware of it, change the story. Okay, so maybe you a lesson didn't go well, and you're like, well, that didn't go so well. But remember all these strategies I'm teaching you, finding the positive things that are happening, focusing on those things. But I'm not saying not to allow those negative thoughts or feelings, because they are just that. Let them flow through you and change that story and go, you know what? That may have happened. Maybe I tried to redirect a student and they didn't quite follow the way I thought they should, right? But hey, give yourself credit. You addressed them. You had the courage to take the time to redirect their behavior. And so what if they didn't do it quite exactly the way you wanted to, right? Because guess what? Sometimes I try to redirect this little girl's behavior. And she's like, Mom, I only do it if you give me a treat. Hang on for a second. Riley, she gets a treat. So treat yourself and have some good stories going through your head, because you are enough, right? You have the power to have a negative thought or a negative story or a positive story. Use your imagination. There's infinite possibilities. We're learning that through that book. And so choose a better feeling story. All right? Thank you. Riley thanks you. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, students. Bye.